Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block a friend on Snapchat. So watch this video till the end. Snapchat is a fun app, but sometimes you might have to deal with unwanted messages from someone, and that's when it's time to block that person. When you block someone on Snapchat, the blocked user can't start a chat with you. They cannot view your stories. If they choose to search your account, then they can't find it. And they can't send you snaps or videos. On Snapchat, the blocking process is really easy. Let's see it now. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile at the top left. Scroll down and tap on My Friends underneath Friends. Scroll to find the person and long press on their name. After the list of options pops up, tap on Manage Friendship. Then tap on Block. In the dialog box, tap on Block and therefore the person will be blocked. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.